Um, Alright guys, welcome back again with me Karisma Tubagus in the YouTube tutorial about Java programming. We continue where we left off before. Previously we tried to exercise a bit in looping problem. We tried to print 1 to 10 using for loop previously, and let me show you again. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Okay, today we continue again with looping a bit more, a bit of exercise again. Okay, I'll give you statement of problem. We try to implement this following problem. Try to make a program to print out an even numbers from 1 to 10. Okay, how can we do this? First of all, this is an easy problem. We will use for and if statement. Okay, let's do it. For in I equals to 1, I less than equals to 10, I plus plus. This will print out 1 to 10. How do we select the even numbers? We will use the if statement. If I mod 2 equals to 0, that means even number, and we can S out I. Okay, I will comment this block of statement first. Okay, let's see the result. 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Okay, we successfully completed the exercise, and we continue a bit more in the exercise again. We will try to print out this pattern. How can we print out this pattern using for loop? Okay, this pattern of stars. Yeah. Okay, it's very simple problem. For in I equals to 0, I less than 5, because we print out 5 rows of block. How many rows of this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 4 i's. So or I equals to 0 to I less than 5. And then how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means 5 by 5. For in j equals to 0, j less than 5, j plus plus. As out, okay, we remove this line first and print out the star, and then S out empty. Okay, we will try to execute this program first. Okay, we completed successfully with the exercise of printing this block of pattern. Okay, I will finish here. We will finish right now, and we continue again with the next of exercise of looping. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.